Hi, everybody. I'm Lonnie Quinn. Well, temperature-wise, today we did a little bit better than we did yesterday, but 10 degrees warmer. We were 74 in New York City. Most folks in the 70s. Look at this. I slipped out to Hamptons. Cracked an 82, and the reason is the East End. Look at that. You had a little more sunshine out there, lots of cloud cover throughout the area, and there have been some bouts of rain. Bigger picture's going to show you getting to the nighttime hours, especially north and west could see some of that activity trickle through the area. And there's more of a tail. So tomorrow's got a similar setup with a chance for a shower or storm. Same thing for tonight. 71, your overnight low. Then tomorrow we'll get you up to about 79. But again, you're keeping that chance for a shower or storm. And I do believe there's going to be a little bit better chance for wet weather for your day tomorrow than what we had today. But all in all, it's going to look kind of the same. Sort of another gray day out there for many folks. This is Florence. Florence is one heck of a strong storm. It's gotten a little stronger here now. Winds are up to around 140 miles per hour. It's still a Cat 4, just a stronger Cat 4 now. And we think it could even become a Cat 5 as it pushes towards the Carolina coast. Let me show you why we believe it could even get stronger. Because the water in front of it, okay, this area right here, is running 81 to 87 degrees. Now, 81 is the threshold. We call that the temperature to which you cook and you maintain a hurricane. There's no weakening due to cold water. That's one of the things hurricanes hate. They also hate wind shear. Well, this area has very low wind shear. Wind shear is just winds that are coming in the opposite direction and sort of battering that hurricane and beating it up. We don't see that. Nothing to slow it down, nothing blocking it. They also hate, a hurricane hates land, specifically mountains. Well, nearest landmass is about 700 miles away. I think this will be getting stronger before it starts to maybe take a little bit of a jolt. I think it will pick up a little wind shear right before it makes landfall. So maybe it goes from a Cat 4 to a Cat 3 at landfall late Thursday, maybe early Friday. But it's still a major hurricane, a 3 or 4 or 5. That's what we are forecasting in that area. Look at all the activity out there. Isaac is now a tropical storm moving toward the West Indies, staying as a tropical storm. Helene, a Cat 2. It's a threat to no one. We also have an area in the Gulf around the Yucatan Peninsula which could become, could get a name or a number over the next 24 to 48 hours. We'll watch that one. The problem with this storm, Florence, is it comes on shore, it's going to put the brakes on. All right? And let's say it stalls right there. Let's just say, for example, it stalls right there. That's one of the worst positions it could be in because it's close enough to the shore. It just continues to pile water on shore with that storm surge. Storm surge 6 to 12 feet. Now, if you can remember Battery Park City during Sandy, which was basically, that's like the queen of storm surge, if you will. 14-foot storm surge. This could be close, and then it's just going to continue to rain because it stalls. It puts down 38.9 inches of rain in Wilmington, 20.5 inland in Lumberton. I think inland flooding is going to be a huge problem with this storm as well. In our area, the local impact, we don't pick up the rain if it takes that track where it stalls in the Carolinas. If it somehow breaks free of that high-pressure system, then we'll deal with that. But right now, I don't see that happening. I think we could see 6 to 10-foot waves, beach erosion certainly, and dangerous rip currents. And here is your extended forecast. 79 Wednesday, 80 on Thursday, both days with a rain chance. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, hovering somewhere in the upper 70s to around 80 degrees. That's the time that we would sort of be watching some of those effects that I just showed you for Florence in our area. And again, if the track changes, I'm going to start adding some more rain during that time period. But you can keep it right here for the latest information or watch us on TV, CBS2 or WLNY 1055.